Okay, I started doing this and I took a picture of the flour and pepper in the bottom, and I don't know what happened to the video, but the flour and pepper is in the bottom. It says to put that in and then put it in a Ziploc bag and shake it. But since we have the silicone bag by Tupperware, which is awesome, you close the zipper like that and it is really good. You make sure it's in, and then you just shake it and you coat all the chicken. I mean, this seals so well. You can throw it up and down and all around. Don't get too carried away. Okay, and then you fry it in oil. Not a lot, just a little bit. Okay, so after you shake the chicken with the flour and black pepper, then you fry it. So you don't have to fry it a lot. You just have to fry it a little bit because it's actually going to cook in the pressure cooker. This is a slow cooker recipe, but I'm going to try it in the pressure cooker. All right. Okay, while we're finishing the chicken, it's done already. It's brown. You have to add a quarter-cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. I had to buy that. And then you gotta put, hold on. Okay, you have to put garlic clove, minced, ginger, and then 2 tablespoons of ketchup. This is good to have the spatula, gets it all off this, and then a tablespoon of brown sugar. And this is my favorite way of making a recipe. You use like a quarter of a teaspoon of chili pepper. I don't think I want to put that in. That's how I always cook. If I don't like one of the ingredients, I don't put it in. But I put it on the plate so you could see what it was like. Okay. Now the chicken doesn't have to be cooked. It just has to be brown. And it definitely looks brown. Looks brown. So we will dump it into the pressure cooker. And then you put the sauce on top. That's why I sell Tupperware. And then you cover this. You put, you line up the arrows right here. This arrow and this arrow. And it locks it down. And you close it. And you put it in the microwave for about 20 minutes. And then I'll be back. Okay, don't open this when this is up, but it's down all the way, so we can open it. You open up this handle and you turn it, and you open it away from you because it's hot. See all the steam? And this is the cashew chicken. It actually looks really good. This is a crock pot recipe in the pressure cooker, and then we're gonna add cashews. Probably too many cashews, but oh, that's right. There can never be too many cashews. Right? Does that look like cashew chicken that you would eat? I think it looks pretty good. Now we'll taste it now. But it is cooked and ready and it smells delicious. Okay, thanks for watching. Let's make cashew chicken together. Instead of the slow cooker, we're going to use the Tupperware microwave pressure cooker.